Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dream League app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Dream League app, or just click on, just click on search, then here add DLS24. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, then you search for Dream League app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.